Become a good investor with these helpful tips. Working from home or having flexible hours are common dreams for people with families, those who like to travel a lot, or anyone trying to make extra money. You can start working online by playing the stock market and enjoy several benefits. Watch this video for some tips on making investments. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. Consider getting some good software that specializes in investment management. It really does not cost that much and it will help save you a ton of time trying to learn how to properly do things. Look into getting one that can help you with profits and losses and one for tracking prices. Have you done some short selling? This method of investing includes loaning shares of stock. An investor can borrow shares if he agrees to return them at a specified date. The investor can sell the borrowed shares, and then repurchase the same number of shares when the price declines. Because the stock is sold at a higher price than the price to replenish it, this investment method can yield healthy profits. It is prudent to keep a high-earning interest-bearing amount of money saved away for an emergency. By doing this you will save yourself from financial disaster if you are faced with a job loss or medical emergency. You don't have to start and run your own business or invent a popular product, in order to enjoy flexible hours or make money from home. Become your own boss by learning how to invest in the stock market. Remember the tips in this video, so that you can learn how to make extra money today. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.